Down to the 31st. 249, no money down. What an opportunity. It's going to be you.
You know what's so awesome about the internet? It gets more and more entertaining every day. And once you've got Verizon Fios, that's when you get it. How 100% fiber optics takes your entertainment to ridiculous levels.
I was streaming videos, movies, music. Once I realized how fast it was, that's when I got it.
Want to upgrade your entertainment? Switch to Fios for just $89.99 a month, guaranteed for 2 years. Plus, get a $200 Visa prepaid card and a multi-room DVR free for 12 months with a 2-year agreement. That's a value of $440. Or you can get this great price with no annual contract. Fios brings 100% fiber optic power right to your door. That's why it delivers America's fastest, most reliable internet, plus unbeatable TV picture quality. So switch to Fios for $89.99 a month, guaranteed for 2 years, and get a $200 Visa prepaid card and a multi-room DVR free for 12 months with a 2-year agreement. Visit Verizon.com/price guarantee for this amazing deal. Technology to make life more entertaining. That's powerful.
So many looks, so much value. At Empire Vision Centers, you'll find the most.
Please stand by. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cayuga County, northern Madison County, south central Oneida County, central Onondaga County until 6 o'clock p.m. At 4:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Camillus and moving east at 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Syracuse by 5 o'clock p.m., Linden by 5:06 p.m., Kirkville and Manlius by 5:08 p.m., Shenango and Sullivan by 5:14 p.m., Canastota by 5:20 p.m., Lennox and Lumpsville by 5:22 p.m. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-888-603-1402 or by email at bgm.stormreport@noaa.gov. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows.
County. That was Doppler radar indicated. So there was circulation in the storm, but no confirmed tornado touchdown. If you did get any damage or you saw anything, please let us know here at CNY Central. You